Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I got another mini crawler unboxing, the Team Associated Enduro24. There you go, Element by Associated Electrics. But this is to piggyback off of the EZRC 110 and the FMS Atlas 6x6. I also have my SCX24 sitting around somewhere, but when I saw that they released the TrailRunner in the 124 scale, I had to jump on it. I'm a big fan of the TrailRunner 110 that they have. It's just out of my budget at the moment, so I've held off on it. As you can see, big fan of the Toyota bodies, this being the later Forerunner, which is why I love the 110. They do a great job with the scale for RTR out of the box, which is pretty cool. Maybe I'll get a kit one day or find one of those bodies separately. But if you've seen my TRX4 Sport, I got a 90, I think it's a 98 Forerunner on it, painted yellow, which I love. But anyways, here's the shot of this thing, just the box and the features that it has. They do have Enduro24s in the Sendero truck version and also a couple other body styles. This, I believe this is a rebrand of some other 124 scales, but 7mm hexes, so this should share the same wheels as these two, including the SCX24. And anyways, don't want to get too into this. Let's go ahead and open it up and look at the goods. But very cool. I'm excited, mainly for the body, but I thought it'd be cool to have another comparison and another competitor to go with this mini crawler. So pretty cool. They got this little themed box in there. Looks like a shop, but go ahead and pull this thing out. And yeah, check that out, guys. So you can looks like a little shop, so you can set that up. So once I get it cut out, I'll throw it in there and see how it looks in there. But pretty cool already. I'm not the biggest fan of all these graphics on it, but I get it. It's part of the branding and it gives it a look. I do like the mountain ranges on this one though. That looks pretty cool. But anyways, it looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna have to get good at this so I don't scratch this body up. But little tiny 4x4 license plate. Before we cut it off, I'll go ahead and pull the body out. I don't think they did any updates to the internals of the Enduro24 range, but you got your motor servo set up in the front. What I like about it is it does look like there is some room to get a bigger motor in there, because that does look like a pretty tiny 050 SH I see on the side. And then you got your combo ESC receiver. They even have a little LiPo and NIM switch, but for the most part it'll be running LiPo. Connector, this is actually the same type of connector that the this guy, I forgot, EZRC uses. So pretty cool, because I will likely use this 7.4 volts instead of the 3.7 that comes with this. I don't think that, well, we'll find out if this ESC has any issues supporting the 7.4 battery, but this guy also comes with it. So very cool thing I'm happy about, that all these new mini crawler series I have do take this connector style, so I can share the batteries between them. The SCX24 takes a red JST, I believe. So pretty grippy tires, no foam inserts, or it doesn't feel like there's any in there. This does not have oil shocks, just friction shocks. I'm kind of looking for alternatives to the friction shocks. These are closed, so I heard you can add some, or I've done it on other RCs, but you can add some grease in there, which will create some friction or more friction. But you can see that these are not sealed, so you'll need a whole set replacement for this one. But pretty cool design. You got the motor front, you got the gearbox in case in the center, and then the ESC and battery in the back. That little tray does look like you can take one of these batteries, so pretty cool. Anyways, let's get this cut out. And there's a better shot of the other side of it. And what we'll do is we'll get this thing displayed as they have. Usually I'll stick the RCs on the top of the box, but let's put this one inside the shop. How's that look? Alright, got this thing set up in the shop, so let's take a look at the accessories. This is another one of those kind of, I think they're called Turbo RC transmitters. This one is a little bit different, so very similar to the one that comes with this FMS Atlas 6x6. Detachable handle for AAA batteries. What looks cool about this one is that you get dials instead of buttons, which I'm a big fan of. So pretty cool. Good for a one-handed operation. There's a little release switch here, and your batteries go into here. So cool, compact, decent for budget. Your little charger, some extra body posts, looks like extensions, a USB. There's the Sendero, which I love, but they do have some wacky decals on the 24 version, a 24th scale version. I think I'm okay with this one just because it's not all over, but I do like the white on top. I like that they got the hood scoop mimicked in there. But that's it for the accessories. So let me just get a good shot of this guy in the shop, Element Shop. And thanks for watching. Can't wait to get this going, and try to get some comparison videos with its little fleet. Oh, there's my cat joining the video. But anyways, get some comparison videos between all the other minis, and get back to you. So thanks.